Hey guys, Tom from Tractor Tools Direct here. Jeremy's out tedding the field, and I thought I might take a little chance to show you guys why we're having to do that. Some places in the United States don't even need to ted. This year we had a really rainy season. This is our first cutting, so we're just now getting around to it because we have about 3 days of no rain this season. So I just like to show you guys a little bit why. This was really tall and thick alfalfa mix grass, and I'll just take a little bit of a pile here and show you guys. So this grass is still very green, and it was a little bit moist yesterday, but you can see that there's some spots in there that actually did dry. There's some little purple flowers showing you the alfalfa there. But long story short, we do the twist test, and if you can twist it and it breaks right away, it's pretty much ready. This is definitely not ready at all to rake and bale. Even if we raked it into a fluffy windrow with the belt rakes, they make a really great fluffy windrow to get some air movement and flip it over and get some nice sun dry time on it. It's still not going to do a very good job, at least for today. So we're most likely going to bale tomorrow or the following day. You can kind of see there are some great, mixes of fresh green grass and some nice grass that is ready. So I do have some nice grass that's ready, but there's plenty in here that need to be mixed up and turned around. So that is why we are doing what Jeremy's doing now, and we're tedding the field. We're flipping it over, we're spreading it, and what's nice is that same machine, whenever we're done tedding today, we might be able to go ahead and rake into some windrows at the end of today if it's really kind of nice like it is right now, and we'll be able to rake into a nice fluffy windrow like this where air can get through there and still flip it over again at the end of the day. So we'll let most of today, we'll let it go ahead and get hit by the sun, and then we might even rake it into a windrow and then see if we can bale it tomorrow. If we can't bale it tomorrow, we'll go ahead and ted it again and then rake it again right before we bale. So hope this helps, and enjoy the video. Hey guys, it's Tom from Tractor Tools Direct. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, check out our Facebook forum, and comment on any topics you'd like for us to cover in the future.